Actress, singer, and songwriter Christina Milian and other LA influencers are celebrating their hometown strawberry and the farmers who grow them with fun, delicious, and innovative ways to incorporate the beloved fruit into every facet of their lifestyles.
As a California native, I'm definitely a huge fan of California strawberries. I mean, we use our California strawberries with our beignets, and strawberries are part of our daily routine. My children snack on them. It's a healthy snack.
We have decades of research that we've been doing on strawberries, and we're showing that strawberries, eating them regularly, can help lower cholesterol levels, can improve our cognition and our motor functions, will help us age better, and also they may prevent different types of cancer. So we're continuing to do that research, and we hope it gives people just more ideas and more reason to choose strawberries maybe over other products that they might pick in the grocery store.
From fab recipes.
When you're in California with strawberries, almost every strawberry is a home run. You know, flavor, texture, color, it's all there. It's already perfectly sweet. It's already the perfect bite. This is actually a take on ceviche. It is a strawberry scallop ceviche. So I used a little bit of yuzu oil, some natural lime juice, fresh herbs, and of course the star is the strawberry.
2 one-of-a-kind cocktails.
So this is called the Last Tango in Modena. This is vodka. You can use gin as well. And it's strawberries with balsamic vinegar. This is something exactly what you would use at Starbucks to making whipped cream. So it's just egg whites, Saint Germain, and nitrous NO2. And the foam is actually sweetening up the drink. And then also just to really beautifully showcase these California strawberries, we put a couple strawberries on top.
Even strawberry-infused facial scrubs.
The benefits of strawberries in skincare: it's a superfruit. It is our superhero in the skincare world. It is loaded with vitamin C. What does vitamin C do? Brightens, tightens, lightens. It does all the things that we want for our skincare.
Regardless of whatever industry you want to be a farmer, you want to be involved in any other industry, regardless of your gender, like, you can go for it. You have all that you need. You know, if you set your mind to it, you could achieve it. And ag is a beautiful industry to be involved. It's very rewarding. You meet so many great people, and it's amazing. It's amazing that I know that there's more women that are becoming involved in ag, and that makes me super happy.
To learn more, visit CaliforniaStrawberries.com and show off your fave way to enjoy a strawberry at CA Strawberries on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.